Hey guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, we're going to discuss about 3 new features of WhatsApp. As you know guys, WhatsApp has continuously been working on their applications, and some of the features you already received, some of the features you will receive. But as I'm using the beta version of WhatsApp, so I have received this 3 top features. So let's discuss one by one. Before starting the video, if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to share this video with others. Feel free to share your opinion into the comment section so that we can serve you best. So guys, first feature is related to WhatsApp status. Yes, so to see the first feature, let me go to the WhatsApp status. Status means updates tab.
Updates selected.
Okay, so till now what you need to do is, for example, you have uploaded one status on WhatsApp. Now if you are interested, if you want to upload the same status to your Facebook profile, Instagram profile, you can't do that. But now from one application you can upload your status to your Facebook story and other social media stories, which is powered by Meta, such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. So let us see how to do that settings. So after coming to the updates, go to the more options.
More option. Pop-up window on top.
Here you will get
start recording
one option
on
called
create status privacy.
Status privacy. So just double tap here.
WhatsApp.
Now I'm swiping from left to right.
Status privacy. Who can see my select
These are all options.
Not select. Share my status updates
Yes.
across my accounts.
Yes, share my status updates across my accounts. So next is
Facebook. Tap to add your account.
Facebook, and this tap to add your account.
Changes to Facebook. Tap to add your account.
So just double tap here.
Share your status to Facebook story.
Now I'm pressing. I'm just swiping.
Share your status to Facebook story.
Okay, share your status to Facebook story.
Easily share your status to Facebook. Control which status up. Your status will be shared to your Facebook story audience. Change
Okay.
your audience. Get started button.
Just click on get started.
WhatsApp.
And
Start
next choose your
recording.
account.
Close tab button. 0%. Connection is secure. Facebook. Custom ease and control Google Chrome.
As my Facebook account is not login to this device, Facebook app is not I'm not using the Facebook app in device yet, so it is asking me to log into my Facebook account. But in your case, it does not happen. You just need to tap that account, and you are able to use that account and post your story, share your status to your Facebook story. So I hope you understood. Now I'm just going back.
Start recording. Tap to cancel. Tap to cancel authentication button. Authenticated.
Okay. So
WhatsApp.
as you understand that
Stop recording button.
as I do not use this Facebook account in this mobile phone, so I'm not going to show you how to do that, but yeah, you can easily do. And if you do, let me know in the comment section whether if you are facing any problem or not. So this is the first update. Before moving to the next update, guys, you know that we are available on the WhatsApp channel also. I'll put the WhatsApp channel link in the pinned comment section of this video. Don't forget to join there. There we will post tech articles, newses, and important informations along with some tools link. Whatever videos we are making on YouTube, the same tools link are available on our official WhatsApp channel. We have more than 250 followers, so don't forget to join and increase our community and help us to grow so we can learn together. Those who are interested to join our Telegram channel, they are also invited to join our Telegram channel. In our Telegram channel, we share important files, applications, sometimes audio tutorials, some exclusive content for you. So don't forget to join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Both links are given in the video description box as well as in the pinned comment for WhatsApp channel. Okay guys, so moving to the next one is notification, related to notification. So for that, I'm just going to more options,
Who can see my status update? WhatsApp. More options.
Then go to settings.
Create settings. WhatsApp. Settings.
Then go to notifications.
Sir. You. Q. Button. Account. Privacy. Avatar. Create. Edit. Favorites. Chats.
And then I'm
Notifications.
swiping.
Conversation. Reminders. Get occasional reminders about status updates you haven't seen. Off. Switch.
So you should be turn it off. I mean this should be turn it off. Why? Because if it is turned on, then sometimes you may get the notification from WhatsApp even there is no new messages, and this is very like this is not so much useful. For example, you are doing your homework, or if you are doing your important work and somehow you got the notification from the WhatsApp, though there is no new messages, just because of you have not seen the statuses, it's not useful as per me. So if you want, you can definitely turn it on, or if you don't want, you just turn it off. So this is our second update. Now in the next update, and most interesting update, is camera effects. Yes, WhatsApp is going to add camera effects during the video call. We will learn more about these updates, but before that, friends, as you know that anniversary deals and anniversary month is going on. Yes, in this month we are going to complete our next year. A new year is going to start of V.I Tech Academy. So we are offering exclusive discounts on all of our courses. Now WordPress course you will get at 999 only. No 1499, no 1999, nothing. Only 999. Okay, only 999. Within 2 months you can learn the complete WordPress, which means you can design websites without any coding language, coding knowledge. So those who are interested, they can join our courses. The link is given in the pinned comment section. So guys, let's come back to our video. Okay, next is to see the next feature, we need to go to privacy.
Settings. Store. Chats. Favorite. Avatar. Privacy. Privacy.
I'm swiping from left to right.
Private. Dismiss. Who can. Last. Profile. About. Stat. Read. Group. Live. Calls. Contact. App lock. Chat lock. Allow camera effects. On. Switch.
Allow camera effects. So by default, this camera effects is turned off. You need to turn it on if you get these updates, because this is a recent update. So you need to turn this on. So after turning on, you can use the camera update. So how to use? Let's see. Let's go back to one chat. So guys, I have opened my own chat. Now just double tap on camera.
Attach. Camera. 0 items selected.
And
WhatsApp
now
camera.
Just move your finger to the top right corner.
Flash off. Button.
Flash off. Just swipe back.
Switch to back camera. Button.
Switch to back camera.
AR effect.
AR
Button.
effect. Just double tap here.
Back.
And now
Button.
see.
Remove all effects. Button
Remove all
disabled.
effects.
Low light off. Touch up off. Flash
Low
off.
light, touch
Button.
up. Okay.
Selected. None 1 of 11. In
None.
list 11
so 11
items.
effects are available. See.
Warm 2 of 11.
Warm.
Cool 3 of 11.
Cool.
B and W 4 of 11.
Okay.
Effects. Tab 1 of
So
3.
these are
In list
tabs
3
effects.
items. Selected. Filters.
Okay,
Tab 2.
filters.
Effect. Puppy 4 of 11.
See, I just
In
choose
list
these
11
effects.
items.
Okay. See. These are the effects.
Select Puppy 4 of 11.
Puppy.
Goof 3 of 11. Star Windows. Selected. None 1 of 11. Star. Goof. Puppy 4 of 11. Selected. Effects. Filters. Backgrounds. Tab.
Okay. So next is
Backgrounds.
so backgrounds.
Backgrounds.
You can change
Select
the background
button.
also.
Out of list. Stop recording. Buttons. Fill. Effects. Office 4 of 12. In list
Office.
Living room 3 of
Living
12.
room.
Blur 2 of 12.
Blur. Okay. So generally you can use these effects in your what I can say, in your live calls. Let's suppose you are in a video call. You are capturing some image using WhatsApp. So you can use these wonderful effects and enjoy. So these are top 3 features which you need to use, and which is the latest update of WhatsApp which I have to share with you. I hope this video is insightful. If yes, like the video, share the video with others. That's it guys for the day. Use those features and let me know what features do you like most into the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.